Ooh. A necklace, that's nice. There we go. There's a shocker.
It's on your head.
Instruction booklet. Okay. Ooh, that's cool. That's very cool. Do not eat. Do not eat. Mollusk is not edible. That's hilarious. 25% alcohol. Don't drink.
Woo!
Woohoo!
That's not my key.
Ooh, good lord.
How you have to drink it?
No! Where's my shocker thing? Oh, here. This is so weird. This is so weird. Ooh, it smells like alcohol.
Better that than what it smell like without it.
Ooh. How do I open it? Oh, hang on. I don't want to break it.
Got a butter knife.
I'm just breaking the poor
Do you
thing.
want to do that?
Attempting to open.
We'll break.
That's alright. That's so much easier. The moment of excitement. Ooh. What does it have? Oh, check it out! That's awesome. That is so cool. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Well done. Well done. There is our thingy. Thingy. Did you want to put it in the necklace? Okay. There. And now to put it in there. I need to work out how to put it in. Goodness me. This is quite tricky.
I think I've got it figured out. Yeah, I've got it figured out.
Yeah? How do you do it?
There's a hinge down there, so that should just pull apart.
Aha!
What would you do without me?
I have no idea. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Little pearl.
And there is the pearl.